first character of a string will locate at 0 index. This numbering below the characters are actually indexing. Technically, we call them indexing. Consider the following example and tell me the output of this program. Okay, tell me the output of the program str hello. So hello, you observe that str0 mean h. So h would be printed. str1 mean e would be printed. str2 mean l would be printed. str3 again second l would be printed, and str4 mean o would be printed. Now keep the logic in your mind that if you print str6 and observe in the figure str6 नाम से कोई पोजीशन नहीं है, there is a no position named with str6, so an error would be generated. Now I will show you with an example. Suppose we create an example name su44. Now for example I just again take the string welcome in a वेरिएबल a1. मैंने वेलकम स्ट्रिंग a1 वेरिएबल में स्टोर कराई है. अब मैंने कहा फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे आप देख सकते हैं मैंने प्रिंट कराया a1. आई एम ट्राइंग टू प्रिंट a1 variable of a string and the value is for example 4. Okay, value is 4. So at 0 index there is a w, at index 1 it is e, at index 2 it is l. 0 1 2 3 and 4, so o would be printed. Okay, so just try to print and o, just observe the output here, o would be printed. Now you can observe that if I try to print a1 in 10th location, run. So he says string string index out of range. That means we can observe that there is a no character assigned at a10 location. What is the last limit of this? O come at the 4th location, M will come at the 5th location, and the last E will come at the 6th location. So A of 6 is the last valid number in a string. I hope ये बात समझ आ गई होगी. A6 is the last valid number that is stored in a string.